Let's assume you like a dress on Flipkart, wanna buy it, but wait, you have to install the 11 MB app. Wanna take a ride on Uber, again you have to install the odd 60 MB sized app. Relatable feeling, isn't it? Ever thought of using Instagram just for uploading a picture or check your boyfriend's or girlfriend's status or a quick stock market news? So you for sure wouldn't want to go through this install uninstall process for these little tasks, right? To get out of such situations, you start using their mobile sites on your phone browser. Now you have to have high-speed internet and you cannot use it offline. In the other hand, if you don't use the app, you might miss out those notifications for those lucrative deals. And if the website doesn't load fast, then you will be like, I have to install the app and use it. So we are back to square one. So it's basically get out of one problem to stuck in another. So to solve all these problems, some smart developers came with the idea of PWS. Technically it stands for Progressive Web Applications. Do you remember those banners that pops up at the bottom of your Chrome browser and suggest you to add them to the home screen? Those are PWS. There are some guidelines while developing PWS. If a site follows those guidelines, then Chrome suggests you to add them to the home screen and you should listen to the Chrome for once. These are just like web browsers but behave like any other Android or iOS app you download from the Play Store or App Store. It works offline and pages loads fast, but without taking up that huge space on your phone. Isn't it amazing? Let's check out some of your favorite apps which you can use without installing them. If you love the idea of PWA, then share the video with all your friends and let them have a piece of this amazing technology. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want such kind of videos in future, please subscribe to my channel And if you have any kind of suggestions, let me know in the comment section below.